Hi guys, it's Mike here from KS Bushcraft Down Under. I thought I'd do another short one this morning. Peeling an orange using a Victorinox can opener. Now, on the keyring model there is a tool called a cut and hook or something like that. Someone said to me it was originally designed to take those plastic wrappings off pill bottles and hook the cotton wool out, but I've seen it in instructions as a peeler. Okay, so that's that tool. This is just a regular Victorinox can opener, which I reckon is the best can opener in the world. So I'll just start by popping out the top bit. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, every orange is going to be different of course, you just got to get the feel for it. Now this one's a bit tough and battered, it was in the cheapy bin. So I'm working it around, particularly well either. Now this orange peel is really thick, really strong. So I'm back to where I started. So I've done a half. I'll try and do a quarter. Getting back to where I want. There. So if you get seeing lots of juice pouring out, which I'm not, it means you're going too deep. Okay, so we'll go back to where we start. I'll come in on the top here. I'll use this to give myself a start. Alright, so now I've got that under there. Get my thumb under. And there we go, guys. Anyway guys, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you do, and I shall see you next time.